to share more about his vision.
Thank you so much. Mr. Liv, Ms. Lowell, teachers, and my fellow Yusofians. In ancient Greece, people shared and debated their ideas anytime and anywhere. In the marketplaces, in the theaters, and in the courthouses. It was in these same forums that great minds like Aristotle, great minds like Plato, conceived ideas that impact our lives to this day, millennia later. But the conception of these great ideas should not be limited to times long past, generations long ago. I believe that my love for public speaking and my love for debate and my love for sharing ideas can help build towards a vision where every student has something to say. Where every student's ideas can create echoes. Where every student's idea can build towards victory, for victory only begins when we begin to talk about the things that truly matter. I am Miguel from Firari. Thank you so much.